I'm Malcolm Levon, course tutor for HE Music. What we do here is we provide a safe, creative environment for students to explore their creativity, their music, their style, and assist them along the road on their journey into the music industry. We teach a wide range, a good solid ground base for music in general. Everything from music theory to microphone technique, to mixing techniques, to music, sound for games, films, and obviously just music for production, music production.
Tutors are brilliant. I can't believe they're even here. I believe they should be somewhere else, you know, in some higher somewhere, you know what I mean? They're that good, you know what I mean? So that's what I really enjoy about the course. You've got Malcolm, who's been into computers since day dot. He's taught me so much about IT and about, you know, about Cubase, the DAW that I use, which is a digital audio workstation. And on the other side, you've got Palmer, who knows so much about music. And the combination of them both together is brilliant. I've not come across two men in this industry like that. Both of them, Malcolm and Palmer, they give you so much time and they really care about the students. They really care about you, do you know what I mean? Not just music, not just the course, just about your general life altogether. So that is a real good reason to be here.
So the tools that we have here, we're running on Cubase 10 and we're about to move to 11. So we're on the latest software, Native Instruments, lovely package with a wonderful set of sounds. The students love working with the professional software that we've got, coming up with professional quality songs that are being distributed on YouTube, SoundCloud. So it's nice to see them actually getting out there, getting the hits on the social media sites as well as the main music outlets. Students can either go straight into the industry, setting up their own record companies, setting up their own studios, performing, recording, playing, producing. Some of them go on to full degree level where they can work with bigger companies like the BBC, film companies, TV companies, exploring more exotic sides like ambisonics, 5D surround, and for gaming now, that's the big area that a lot of students like exploring.